Need to move your help desk data to a new platform, but can't afford downtime in support operations? That's where Delta Migration comes in. It's a help desk migration feature that syncs only tickets created or updated after your full migration. Your team can keep working in the old system while the new help desk stays up to date. Delta Migration is especially useful if you manage data migration for small and enterprise companies. Want to prevent downtime during data migration? Handle hundreds or thousands of tickets per week, support customers 24/7 across different time zones, have strict SLA commitments. Let's say your team continues replying to tickets while the migration is happening. Without Delta Migration, those updates could be missed, duplicated, or create backlogs. Here's how it works. First, the system identifies tickets created or updated after the full migration started. Next, it retrieves all related data, conversations, attachments, and metadata. Then, if a ticket already exists in the target system, it is updated with the latest information from the source. Finally, new and updated tickets are added to the target help desk. No ticket freezes, no backlogs, no missed updates. But how do you run a Delta migration? First, run a free demo migration. After reviewing the results, proceed to the checkout. There, choose a support package that includes the Delta migration option and complete the payment. Next, run a full migration to transfer all records from your source platform to the target system. If your team continues working in the source help desk after that, contact our support team at contact@relokia.com to request Delta migration. Our team will enable the option so you can start syncing new and updated records. Before starting, our team checks which records will be included. Then they will run the Delta migration to transfer only the changes made after the full migration. You can also request recurring Delta migrations if your team keeps using the old platform after the main migration. Try Delta migration today. Keep your tickets synced and your support uninterrupted with no downtime.